Mari kita buat latihan surat kedua. Let's do page 2 together. 圈一圈，说一说。Circle and say out loud. Bulatkan dan sebutkan. Murid perempuan cakap, 请坐. Sila duduk. Please sit down. Cikgu cakap, 谢谢, terima kasih. Thank you. So we go to the next one. Pergi ke seterusnya. 画一画, see the smiley. 说一说. Number 1. 老师早安. Ini adalah tindakan yang betul. So kamu lukis smiley. It's a correct action. So you draw smiley. Number 2. 早安 is also correct. Draw smiley. Tindakan yang betul. Number 3, 老师早安, tindakan itu salah, the wrong action because the boy is not a teacher. Budak itu bukan cikgu. Number 4, 老师请坐, cikgu sila duduk. So it's a correct action. So you put a smiley there. Thank you very much and have a nice day.